for the network shown in the given figure. The expected time for the activity.
Clear logic. Your choice, all the above is sound and 100% true.
Which construction management technique involves breaking down the project into smaller, manageable components?
Nicely done. Work breakdown structure is a solid answer.
A disadvantage of a planning system is that minor changes in data can cause major changes in the chart.
You're right. True is the correct answer.
Meeting dash is a meeting that presents and reports the progress of the construction of a project.
Right choice. Base is the best answer.
In PERT analysis, the time estimates of activities and probability of their occurrence follow. You chose beta distribution curve, and it is correct. The time which results in the least possible construction cost of an activity is known as
on track. Slow time is the correct answer.
When you show a view that cuts through the middle of the house, it is called a dash.
Correct. Section is the right answer.
What is an emerging technology in construction management mentioned in the text?
Nice work. You chose building information modeling, and it is correct.
If you have funds beyond a mortgage to invest in your home, they are called dash.
Exactly. Assets make sense, and it is right choice.
The most important role in the home building process to get references for is dash.
Well picked. The general contractor is the correct answer.
What is one of the core areas of study in construction planning and management? Nice selection. Safety and risk management is the correct and valid answer.
Some of the factors that can affect project performance are as follows, except.
Great thinking. Expected technical problems is the right choice.
When you drive a pipe into the ground to test the soil, it is called a dash.
Smart move. Core sample is an accurate answer.
Factors to be taken into account during delivery of construction materials are well reasoned. Time is the correct choice. The part of the blueprint that gives the builder the most details is the dash.
Excellent. Floor plan is a brilliant choice.
When a subcontractor has a problem or needs to get paid, who is responsible?
Strong choice. The general contractor is the right answer.
When the mortgage company pays the insurance and taxes, it is called dash.
Smart pick. Escrow is the correct choice.
Which of the following is not an information source used in construction?
Whoa.
Valid point. Demograph is true. Who is responsible for presenting the development reporting of a project?
Good job. Your answer, project manager, works well here.
Type of common software that can be used to generate project scheduling.
Sharp thinking. Microsoft Project is the right choice. The cost of permits give permission to build, but also provide for dash.
You got it. Your choice inspections is right.
What does accurate cost estimation and tracking systems help prevent?
Great job. Cost overruns is the accurate answer.
The term used to describe the client's ability to move in is dash.
Good thinking. Occupancy is the right answer. Listed below are the basic information on bar chart graph, except Correct response. Attendance is the most accurate answer.
If a house is considered a ranch, you are referring to its dash.
Solid response. Style is a valid choice.
Which software is best used in providing project scheduling?
Well done. Microsoft Project is the right choice.
The true front view of the house is called the front dash.
Excellent choice. Elevation is the right answer.
PERT technique of network analysis is mainly useful for
Right again. Research and development projects is a valid answer. If an architect is hired, the cost of the project will
Bravo, go up as the answer. Strength of bar chart graph are listed below except
perfect. Difficult to update is the correct choice.
What does project monitoring and control involve?
You're right. Implementing corrective actions is the correct answer.
Gas, electric, water, and sewer are called dash.
You chose utilities, and it is correct.
Controls to be made during construction unless
Bravo. Quality removal is the answer. A dash is an example of a subcontractor. Excellent choice. Plumber is the right answer.
Today this is done mainly using GIS.
Smart pick. Surveying is the correct choice. The floor plans do not show dash. Good thinking. Height of doors is the right answer.
What does sump in construction?
You got it. Your choice site waste management plan is right,
Which is not on a plot plan.
correct. Kitchen detail is the right answer.
What is the meaning of he been?
Nicely done. National Youth Skills Institute is a solid answer.
Bar charts are suitable for
Solid response. Minor Works is a valid choice.
what machinery is this?
Exactly. Bulldozer makes sense and it is right choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Smart move. Contact Narayan Changder is an accurate answer.